So I need to put a bottom plate at a pressure treated so I can start framing this out. Now, there's two ways to do this. One, you can use Tapcon screws, which are specifically designed to go into concrete, or you can use Ramset, which are nails, which use a 22-inch cartridge. You hit it. But for this demonstration, I'm going to show you this. So this is a Milwaukee Fuel hammer drill. This is like $300, I think, so it's expensive for a homeowner, but Tapcon came out with this. This is about 30 bucks. What it does is it hooks to your normal drill, and it has an adapter in here, so you put your drill bit in here, and then it comes with a Phillips bit as well that connects to this side. So essentially you would pre-drill with the masonry bit and then put this on and then screw the screw in. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use the hammer drill. Now, we're down in the basement. The entire house is under construction, so dust really doesn't matter. Milwaukee did come out with a dust extractor, so if I was working in a house that somebody was actually living in, I would use this one. But for right now, just for these purposes. Secondly, when you buy Tapcon screws, it says, so we're using 3/16" screws, so it recommends a 5/32 bit, which is what I have on here. I have preset my depth, so this is adjustable. You can adjust it to whatever depth you need. So, as you can see, this makes quick work out of it. Get the dust out of there. I'm using PL Premium first. So I'll just put a little bead of this around. Now I already pre-drilled the blocks. And then it's just a matter of screwing the screws in. And you can see that it gets sucked into the wood, so you know you have a good hold. This is a Milwaukee Surge Impact, so it's adjustable, but it's also very quiet, which is very nice. And that's all there is to it. Now, the screws obviously hold it, but once the glue sets up, these aren't going anywhere.